Hi, welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Let me discuss about the title of the project. Title of the project is a proxy-based approach to continuous location-based spatial queries in mobile environments. Spatial query is nothing but a location-based queries. And the main objective of this paper is to optimize the time duration during query retrieval process. In this paper, you suppose two types of queries named as NN query and window query. NN query is named as nearest neighbor query, and it is for user search the location based on the nearest regions, and window query is about for searching the locations within a window frame. The main objective of this paper is to optimize the query retrieval times. Next, let me discuss about the abstract of our project. That is increasing the process of catching valid regions of location-based queries, that means spatial queries at mobile clients. It is effective when the number of queries are posted by mobile clients and sending queries are load on the server. Due to this, mobile clients are suffer. That is, mobile clients are longer waiting time for the server's answers for the posted queries. So, in this paper, we propose a proxy-based approach to continuous location-based nearest neighbor and window-based queries. Proxy creates the estimated valid regions for mobile clients by extracting the location and temporal locality of location-based queries. We propose two algorithms for NN queries to improve the estimated valid region growth. In this, we are optimizing the query retrieval time by using the indexing technique like grid indexing. It is also built effective EVOs when the cat size is small. And also, in this paper, for window queries to represent the EVOs is in the form of vectors called estimated window vectors. It is used for estimating the larger value regions. Indistinctly, we use separate index structures, namely EVO tree and grid index for NN and window queries. To increase the efficiency, we developed the algorithms for exploiting the results of NN queries and window queries. Using these algorithms, proposed approach overcome the existing proxy-based approaches. Next, let me discuss about the data flow diagram of this project. First process is the mobile client registration. That means clients has to be entered into a process, and then client informations can be received by the through mobile client registration process. Every client must register their informations, that like ID, user ID, then name, then what type of query is going to be searched. That information must be entered into a mobile client registration process. After the client has to be registered, it has to be entered it has to be stored in a gateway. That is a gateway process. After the gateway process completed, dataset input process has been processed. That input process is the dataset selection. After the dataset selection has been after the dataset has been selected, it has to be inserted into a database. After the dataset has to be inserted into a database, we have to estimate the distance based on the longitude and latitude values. In this project, we are selecting the data set named as spatial dataset, because in our project we are going to search about the locations based on the distance. So we are estimating the distances based on the longitude and latitude values of the particular locations like airport, beach, bay, etc. After estimating the distances based on the longitude and latitude, client post queries like NN query and window query. If the client post NN query, means that query results has been retrieved, and the retrieved results are retrieved based on the indexing technique called OCG indexing technique. That means ordered grid index technique. Then it has to be stored in a temporary cache. Like that, we are also client also searching that window query. In that window query, we are posting the location current regions and going to search locations, that information has to be posted into a window query frame. Then after the query has been posted, the information has been retrieved based on the window frame within a location. Based on the within a location, that query resource has been indexing and it has been stored in a cache. This is a flow of our project. Let me discuss about the demo of our project. First we are going to run our project like home.java. Click that file, then click client request button, then just click the text field. Your localhost information has been displayed, client systems IP has been displayed. Then you enter your ID. If you are a user, enter your ID like Adi, then enter your mail ID like that. Then choose your query type like NN query or window query. Then about location, then enter your category where you are going to search about. Then click the create button for creating the details, and before click the register button, we are going to run the gateway.java class file. Then click get button and go to the client process and click register button. Client details has been received in a gateway. Then get input data, and this is the process of choosing our input data set. Choose data. In that we are clicking the spatial data set. Then give our data set informations like category, then longitude, latitude informations are there in our data set. Then we are going to pre-process the data set. Choose the data set, spatial data set of text, and then data has been inserted into a database. After that we are going to view the data set from the database. Then classify the data set based on the categories. Insert data and view data. It's the airport category. Then insert beach, insert data, view data, and then arch. Then going to insert data and then view data, then insert data, view data, and then after classifying the data set, we are going to estimate the distance between the bar to airport, airport to this beach, etc. Then click the distance button. Just click the airport button for estimating distance between the airport, and arch for between the arch, and click the bar for estimating distance between the bar. Then beach for estimating distance between the beach. Then distance between the 2 points means airport to arch means distance has been estimated based on the longitude and latitude of the airport to arch. There is a airport to arch. There are different airport and arch is there. There is a airport to arch different distances estimated. Then airport to beach. Likewise, we are estimating the distance between the airport to arch, airport to beach, and then airport to bar, and then beach to bar, and then bar to beach, etc. We are calculating for estimating the distances between these 2 points. Then click the button airport to bar for estimating the distance between the each airport to every bar. The distance has been estimated based on longitude and latitude of the airport and bar values. Then click beach to bar. In this we are estimating the distance between the beach and bar values, and these are also calculated by using the values like longitude and latitude. And we click the button bar to arch. In this we are estimating the also estimating the distance between the bar to arch. Then we are going to query submission frame. Get the details of client like client IP address, client ID, current location, and type of query the client has been chosen. Then after, if the client chooses the NN query, so NN query frame will be opened. In that choose airport and then get results. Airport to arch means get results has been displayed. Airport to arch, the distance has been displayed, nearest distance has been displayed. Then indexing, based on the indexing, correct accurate results has been displayed in this frame. And then before click the cache button, then go to the projects and click run cache.java file. Right click and run the file. and click the store button and go to the client in query frame and click the cache button. Then accurate results only stored in a cache. Then evaluate the performance based on the time efficiency, proposed system and then existing system. Likewise, client if the client choosing the NN query and window query means it redirects to the window query frame. This is a flow of project. Next, let me discuss about the window query of our project. First, same as NN query, right click on home.java file, then client request button and enter your IP address, and then if you are another user, enter your informations. You are choosing window query means query, then location, airport, then create, then click before clicking that file, go to projects and gateway.java file, get information, then click the register, find details are received, then get input data, choose data, spatial data set, and view data. Then next go and click the button pre-process and choose file, then choose as data set and then data insertion. Next view the data from the database and then classify the data based on the categories like the charge, then bar, then we classify the data set based on the goal attribute category of the data set. Then estimate the distance between every point and individual points of data set. Airport to Arch and then airport to beach. It takes some times because there is a large amount of data in the data set, so it takes too much time for estimating the distance between the 2 points. Then beach to bar. Then click bar to Arch. Then click the query submission button and click the client details. If you are choosing the window query frame will be opened, and then airport to Arch get results, then W results within a window frame based on enter the region like 0.51 like this. Required results are displayed. Then before that projects enter cache.java. Click the store button and go to the window query frame and click the cache buttons, and client details has been received in temporary cache frame, and then evaluate the performance based on the proposed system and an existing system. In the existing system, query every time it takes a large amount of time. The proposed system query time is too slow because of we are using the OCG grid indexing techniques.